Hi there, I am packing up for a photo shoot and I thought I'd bring you along because this is unique in that I need to be mobile. I need to have a very small kit as I will be working at a local university and we will be moving throughout the campus, but I'm going to be indoors, outdoors, all different lighting situations, and I need to be prepared for anything in a very small kit. So I will be bringing my Canon R5C, it's a mirrorless system. I'll bring one body and 3 lenses. My 24-70 is going to be great for the lifestyle shots that we'll be capturing in all the different classrooms. At another portion of the day, we'll be capturing images of their new campus dog. So I'll bring my 70-200 because that'll be great. We might be outside and inside, so this could be a great lens to capture those shots. But for lighting, since I'll be in all different lighting scenarios where no natural light, a mix of fluorescent and natural light, I'm going to bring my speed light and a diffuser. This is always a great solution when I have to be mobile and the lighting situation is unknown. So I always have this in my kit just in case. Okay, so the last piece is my iPad. I'll be walking around with the university representatives and I want them to see the images coming through so they know that they're getting exactly what they need for a website, for print, for any digital assets that they're going to create. So I've designed this that I can kind of have my iPad right on top. In the inside of the case, I'm using this insert. Typically, it comes with this type of foam insert, which is great. But if I want my iPad to rest here and make my life a little bit easier, I put this insert in. I can certainly put items in here if I wanted to, but then it will close nicely and I'm ready to go. I hope this was helpful. If you're interested in seeing logistics of packing for a bigger shoot, I do have a video on YouTube. I'll leave the link. Go check it out.